Hey beautiful people, it's Sandise here, and if you love beauty, soft life moments, and honest vibes, you're in the right place. It's been long. It's been very long, guys, and it's so awkward and so embarrassing, but I am back for this review. So I don't want to make any promises, okay? Okay, guys, so let's get right into the video. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from dum 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 LuvMe Hair. Okay, I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from LuvMe Hair, guys, and yeah, this is the packaging. I'm excited. You guys know I love wigs. If you know me, you know I love wigs, and yeah, guys, I'm excited. I've had these package for I think 4 days now, and I haven't been sleeping for those 4 days. Before I open this package, guys, can I just rant and vent just for a minute? Just give me some time, just a minute of your time, and can I just rant? I got 2 weeks from IC Hair, because the vibes is trending. I thought, let me try it out, and I ordered 2 weeks, and after ordering 2 weeks, I got one, and I contact them. I say, guys, on email, I say, guys, I ordered 2 weeks and I only received one. Did they not pin it on me? And now they're saying, yay, what? Did you make a video to unbox, like an unboxing video? I'm like, who does that? On a normal day, a normal life, no one does that, guys. It's not everyone. I see people, if I get you, because it's not everyone who opens a package on video. You get it? So it's really not fair for you people to expect us to take liability for everything that you guys do. And understand there's a third party involved, but still, you cannot pin it on me. I ordered 2 weeks and I received one, and that should be, I guess it should not be my fault. I don't know, guys. I don't even know how their policies work, but they pinned it on me. And this video has nothing to do with IC Hair, but I'm just like venting, guys, because I love wigs, but I'm tired. I'm tired of this, especially big wig companies. Okay, guys. So yeah, they, I guess, duped me, guys. I even went to PayPal. I just filed a complaint on PayPal. Did they not make the other party win? They ruled against me because they had proof that it was delivered. I'm like, yes, it was delivered, but I did not receive both the wigs. But anyways, this has nothing to do with IC Hair. This has everything to do with LuvMe Hair. So I'm here with an open mind to show you guys what I received. Okay, so I got a bob, a pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything basically. So it's I think a 10-inch bob, and it's natural black, and I think it's a side part or middle part. I can't even remember, guys, because you know these wig people. I'm done. But anyways, guys, this is the packaging, and I'm gonna be opening it right now. Hey. I don't know if it's me, guys. The mnyama is following me everywhere. I don't know what happened, guys, but this is the condition of the packaging. So hopefully no one slid their hand in there and pulled the wig out. Let's just hope. So yeah, it was going through a lot, guys. The wig was going through a lot. Okay, so let's open it and stop. Yep. So I'm gonna open it now, and wow. Done. The front looks nice, but the back is none of the front's business. Okay, the back is damaged, I guess, but the front looks fine. So this is lovely. Okay, so let's open, guys. Let me open the wig. Okay. Wow, guys. Wow, I've always wanted these Okay, this is a good start because I've always wanted this edges. What? I'm not really an edges girl, but sometimes I am. So they gave me a gift. Wow. And this week was only like 2.3 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, the gifts guys are crazy. So yeah, I got this. I don't know if it works. I will test it out for you and I will let you know, I think by the end of the video. This is the wig and it comes with the tape if you don't want to use glue, because it is a glueless, guys. It is pre-cut, pre-everything, and I think it has a drawstring. I will confirm with you just now. Okay guys. Ooh. What? Okay, I like the nails. I don't know if you can see, guys. They are printed "Love Me" for you. Okay, that's cool. That is so nice. I'm definitely gonna be putting them on. I will try them on, and it's got a dust bag, so nice. That is so cute. And we got an edges brush. What else did we get? One more thing. Aww. And we got a hair clip. Oh, we got a band. It's a band. Yeah, cute little headband. And then we have a user guide. Cute. Yeah. And then we got a "Dear, thank you for your support. Da, 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 da. Beautiful." All right, it says collect 5 cards with "Love Me" and exchange them with free week. What about, yeah, you can. We can do that at the end of the video. What is this now? Oh, guys, it's a lot of gifts for 2,000 rands. Ooh, I got a band. I can never stop receiving these. They come in so handy, guys. They come in so handy. And what else do we get? Best wishes for you. What is this? Love me for you. Hey guys, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just a card. And I can never stop receiving these as well. This is a recap. I think that is it. That was a lot of gifts, but yeah, let's get into the main character. Okay, comes in a bag like this, and then the shoot is here, guys. The wig is, it smells. There is nothing a wash cannot fix. But yeah, I'm not sure why, but they smell. These wigs, they smell, man. They have a smell to them. But it's not bad, I guess, because it's something that we're all used to. We're used to it, so it's fine. I got something else inside the wig, guys. Yo, wow. First impressions, love me. Wow. Oh, it's bed number 2. I can never. Okay, guys. So it comes with a tag, after sales tag. Do not remove this tag unless you're satisfied with the wigs. Removing it means you cannot return on it or exchange them. Okay, that makes sense. I'm not gonna remove the wig in case I want to send it back. Okay, but guys, as y'all can see, let me just put this back so you can see the hairline. So this is the hairline. It is pre-plucked beautifully and it is pre-bleached, and it is a transparent lace if I'm not mistaken. Wait, this, no, I don't think it's transparent. I'll confirm, guys. Okay, I'll confirm. So this is the canvas that we are working with. Zero cornrows, guys. I don't have any cornrows. I don't have any protective styling, so this is the canvas that we are going to be working with. Okay. I'm excited. Okay. Okay, it's missing a band. Okay, because there's a drawstring, so I guess there's no need for a band. Ooh. I'm looking at the mirror, guys. Okay, let me just grab my comb. So this is what we have for now. Let me pull it a bit to the front. What do you think, guys? Should I take it maybe to the side a bit more? I don't know, guys. I think so, right? I think so. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I guess pull it back to the side as well. It's my first time buying this what okay, so it looks good. It's very lightweight. What else? Let me draw the string for you guys and for me, just to feel. Let's see. I'm gonna pull the string just now. It's my first time as well to get the stringy. Ooh, ooh, yes. Yeah. Okay. Wait. You pull it until you get a headache, because then you look so cute, guys. Okay, so I did pull the string. It feels so tight, and then I'm gonna pull the wig down because I feel like the babang. Babang, guys. Ooh, okay, now. I don't know, guys. I'm a millennial, so I don't know how this works. But yeah, guys. I don't know, guys. I love it. I love. It's so silky. Remember, we want wigs that we don't comb. We just airbrush, like. You understand? It's very flowy. It's very flowy. It is beautiful. Feels very snug and very tight. So I love that. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Do you think? I don't know. So I'm not going to try on the tape because it's not like I'm. Guys, wait. No. Wait. I need to fix this part. I don't know if. I guess we need to bring it forward because the lace needs to come forth. Okay, let me undraw the string, guys. I just want to fix something because I want to see the frontalness of it all. Because if you say it's a frontal, then it's a frontal. Because if I want to push it back, so I will give them the benefit of the doubt because I do have a mini pondo at the back of my wig. So, because I don't have contrast in or anything like that, so I will give them the benefit of the doubt. But that's the only thing, that the wig, and I have a very small head. My head is very small. My head is very, very small. So I deserve a good fitting wig. I don't think it is cut properly as far as, but if you glue it, you will then have to force it to come forth like so. So I'm not sure if I can wear it without glue. I so I don't know what to say about that. But overall, I love the wig, and the wig loves me. As you can see, I look pretty, and I also like how it's cut like this, like it's almost like a type of cut. So I think this is it, guys. This is an honest review of the LuvMe Hair. As you can see, the part is very defined and it's nice and beautiful. The hair is silky and flowy, very lightweight. It's got body, it's got movements. Beautiful, 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 guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.